So the way that I want to treat this is, if you want to become a successful freelancer or consultant, it's really important that you fill your pipeline in a sense. So you're speaking to as many people as possible. One of the things I tell freelancers is to submit a minimum of 10 proposals every single day on Upwork. Right? The goal of that is to fill yourself up to where you're getting at least 1 to 2 appointments every single day. And if you're submitting 10 proposals every single day, it's really, really, really possible. The good example I like to say is from last Monday. I closed about, I believe in total deals, it was around $8,600 in deal from that one day of submitting Upwork proposals. I closed about 4 clients from that one day. Right? You're not going to have those days every single day, but you're going to have a lot of things coming in volume wise from those days. So it's really important that we're creating a lot of activity at the top of funnel. So it comes down to the next step. That's practical step number one. Your next bet is actually going to join a lot of hyper specific Facebook groups to what you do. So whenever I talk about consulting and freelancing, you're solving a unique problem for a unique audience. So it's your duty to go find where those people are. It's a lot easier than doing kind of your LinkedIn prospecting and things like that. There are groups for people in your audience out there. You have to find them. So the first step would be to find those groups. Now, what you want to do is to drop incredibly helpful information into those groups. Or more importantly, you can find just job posting groups. So for example, for media buyers, there are a ton of Facebook groups just for media buyers. I actually got my first big paying job from a group like that. I think I got my first job. It was paid about $67,000, and it was from a Facebook group. And I got that job literally within like 3 days of applying for it. It was an amazing opportunity. But I've also closed tons of clients just from Facebook groups. It's one of the most powerful places you can go to get clients. You have to factor in things will vary all over the place, so just keep that in mind. But the goal here isn't to be super reserved on getting the highest quality. The goal is just to make as many contacts as possible, so you increase your likelihood of essentially hitting a home run or something along those lines.